everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change the background on Crunchyroll. So if you want to change your background on Crunchyroll, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change your background on Crunchyroll, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll app. After you do that, you'll be appeared with the home screen of Crunchyroll. So go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. Now you can go ahead and tap on that little logo of edit in your profile. Now you can again go ahead and tap on that little logo of edit, which is in the top right corner. Now you can go ahead and select on whichever background you want in your Crunchyroll. So I've selected one, and then go ahead and tap on done in order to confirm it. Now as you can see, your background has already been changed, but there's yet a step left. So go ahead and tap on save. So as you can see, your background has already been changed. So that's how quick and easy it was. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.